morning, y'all, and welcome to another fun-filled week in Arizona. We've called this spot home here in the Tonto National Forest for about the past week as we've been searching for Payson Diamonds on the ground. We've literally just been walking through this beautiful environment, picking these things up. There's wolves, there's elk. This is a beautiful place. But it's time to pack Kelsey and Shy and myself inside of this thing and hit the road because we got places to go and things to see. Y'all hang on, this week's gonna be fun. I promise.
Shy nose? Yeah, good nose. Good nose. Sit. Stay. Hoop. Good hoop, Shy. Hoop. Yeah. Stay. Yes, dance with me, Shy. Here you go. Good job. Walk like people. Oh, go walk like people, Shy. Go walk like people. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, guys, that sun is setting on another absolutely beautiful day. We spent most of our time today sitting around camp, playing games, and watching wild wolves roam around out there. Don't worry, guys, that's not one. It's just Bear. He's bigger than the wolves, though. Tomorrow, it's time to get that big yellow house on the road. But first, it's dinner time. What do you think, Bear?
Did y'all hear that? That was one of those wolves yelping. Oh, he's running across the road. Hold on.
Baby Shy definitely heard it.
That woke the puppy up. Oh. Here comes a car. They're gonna mess up nature, y'all. And that, my friends, is a Mexican gray wolf. They have progressively become more and more comfortable with their presence here. He is maybe 30 yards away from our campsite. And they keep circling our camp like this, which means it's time for us to go, Kelsey. They belong here, and we don't. Boy, they're pretty. Time to hit the road, y'all. I'm gonna make an effort to pack up the truck today so we can go see some stuff tomorrow. I never get tired of being here, though.
Look at that already.
Here we go. 15, 16, 17, 1800.
Oh my God. I gotta go. These are all.
Yeah, you're at 1800. There you go.
I'm stopping there.
1850.
I gotta stop. Check it out, Kelsey. Do you know why all these pine cones are here? They didn't just fall from that one tree. When this whole area drains of water, they still float. So the last places that water sat is where the major collection is. I bet there's crystals in these.
I bet so.
Help me, I did. Fine, you want this? Take it. Take it. Mario, look.
Find the good one, Shy.
You gotta find treasure. So a lot of times when you're in BLM public lands, they run cattle, and you can see the way the cattle walks to their watering holes. This track that I'm following is not cattle though, this is elk. You can see our camp right there, so every night at sunset, all the elk are walking along this ridge down this very well-trodden trail to that little retaining pond over there.
What do you got over there, Zach?
Might have found something good.
Oh, indeed you might have. Yeah, it is, Shane.
This nice little guy right here.
It always is with this guy.
Oh, nice indeed.
This little point.
Well done, Zach. What's this? Oh, come on. Not as big as I wanted it to be, but still very pretty.
Sorry, Shane. If you look real hard, sometimes you find a little clear face sticking out of the sand. You have to look for tiny little tips.
Oh, this one might be big.
Ah, it's a little one. Sorry, y'all. But that is a Payson Diamond.
Let's find more.
Let's find more.
Nice.
Okay. Let's see how big that one is. Oh. Still pretty.
Well, I do believe we have used every bit of daylight for today. Me and Shy are outside packing up the last of our belongings because tomorrow we head off towards the town of Sholo, Arizona. But first, we gotta get everything cleaned up so it looks like we weren't even here. Shy, are you ready to go inside? I'm tired of these mosquitoes. Have you been watching for wolves? They're out there.
Yo, baby Shy is trying to get some energy out as we do the final touches of packing this little house up to go into town for all of the errands today. We have so many that it might actually take us 2 days to accomplish. And that means we are all done finding these Payson Diamonds for the season. We've had a good run though. I wanted to show you guys what I made last night. Inspired by the fact that we are once again rock hounding with Z-Man, I decided to combine one of the beautiful Payson Diamonds that we have found over our time here with one of the beautiful blue fluorites that we found several months ago, also in Arizona. For those of you who are into the metaphysical properties of these stones, The little blue one on top is a blue fluorite known as the genius stone, said to activate your third eye and your relationship with the spiritual realm. And Payson Diamonds are known as amplifiers, making this one really, really powerful double Arizona stone piece. You guys be looking out on Facebook this week to see this beautiful necklace up for sale. For now, it's time to pack up. Let's go. First stop, the Hebergard Dump. Yeah, I know, baby. We'll find more exciting places to go later today. But for now, we have a whole lot of trash. I don't know if any of you have been counting, but we did stay at our last campsite for about 10 days. And I gone a few days without going into town before that, which means we are very, very full. And a transfer station is very necessary. Lucky for us, there's a nice one in Hebergard.
All right, y'all. So this is one of my least favorite things we have to do, and we do it as little as possible, but that's doing laundry. That's the laundromat behind us. Fortunately, there's a water machine and an ice machine just outside, so I can fill up all of our water jugs, which is nice because it takes a few hours to wash all of our laundry. We have a fair amount of clothing storage, but like I said, we like to wait until we pretty much have nothing left to wear, and I'm wearing my laundry day clothes. So while my laundry is washing, I like to try to check out the town that I'm in. And we are in the town of Show Low. And I've driven through here a lot. We spent last fall just outside of this town helping my friend Kirk build a bus. And I passed this structure many times. I gotta know what's inside of here. Looks like it's a skate shop. Let's find out. Well, that water machine was not working, so we had to find another one. It's always something. Oh, I'm racing that sun. We gotta keep going.
All right, guys, I think we're all done, or at least all done for today. As I predicted, we did not have enough time to get everything we needed to accomplish in Show Low done in one day, but I think that that's okay, because this guy over here
I got a place saved in my phone already, Kelsey. I always know where to go.
He does. It's like a magic power, y'all.
In a lot of places, Kelsey.
It says just 5 minutes out of town, there's a road we can turn on, and there might just be a camping spot there. Let's find out, y'all. Whoa. We got back in the wilderness fast. Show Low is a cool little town, Shane.
I like this town.
It oddly reminds me a whole lot of my hometown of Marshall, Texas. Not this part, but the in-town part for sure. I think we'll find ourselves a nice place to call home tonight.
Kelsey, I think I see one. I'll be back. I'm not driving through those trees unless I know things.
Well, you just woke Puppy up, so hopefully. Yeah, was you sleeping hard? He's okay. You can go back to sleep. He'll be back soon. She says, not a chance. Oh, guys, he has done it again. Oh, my Shy, look around. What do you think? This spot isn't just convenient. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that view. Shy, stay close, baby. Good job, Shane. Very nice.
We didn't rip off anything on a tree or nothing. For weeks now, all of our camping spots have been geographically inappropriate to catch an Arizona sunset. But this one, obviously, we found them again. Never get tired of that. Oh, hi, Shy.
Oh yeah, guys, I think this spot is one that is worth holding on to for at least one more day. This is an absolutely wonderful way to wake up. It's beautiful out here, sunny. The wind is a little bit high, which is just one more reason not to move that little yellow house. And Shy thinks it's pretty awesome too. What do you think, baby? Is it time to play? Oh my, Shy. Look, Shy, Mom and Dad have a new toy too. For those of you who are following us along a few weeks ago, we stopped in with some friends and they had one of these slack lines set up. And we were both honestly a little bit upset about how terrible both of us were at this sport.
I don't think I tightened it enough, Kelsey. I'm just walking.
It makes you look like you're really good at it though. Anyways, guys, we have acquired our own. So the next time we see our friends, we're experts. Let's see how this goes.
This is easier with training wheels, Kelsey.
Let's be honest, balance has never really been my thing.
But I mean, you are walking on a rubber band.
Whoa. I think you're better at this than I am, Shane.
I like that dance move. Let me get my banjo. What do you think, Shy?
Yeah, our friend can walk on one of these without the training wheels while playing a banjo.
You gotta start somewhere. All right, y'all. That's the end of that beautiful sunset. It's my favorite part. It always looks like the horizon's on fire. And also, we've been trying to figure out what these two bright lights are. Now, last night I stood out here in the absolute darkness and considered the fact that it might be alien. And I was right. No, they're not alien spaceships like I was contemplating. They're actually alien planets. Kelsey, what planets are these? The top one there, that's Jupiter. And the lower one is Venus. I've shot this video 5 times trying to say that. Night, night, y'all. I'm tired.
Should I walk like people? Wrong. Oh, gotta fall. Oh, guys, I am having far too much fun on that slack line over there. Speaking of new toys, Another reason that we have been hanging out in Show Low is because we have a P.O. box there. There's actually a package store in town for nomads that allows us to, for $25 a month, have a temporary P.O. box. Nafeen has sent us a gift and we are very excited to try it out. I am envisioning me and Shy going down some rivers on this new paddleboard. First though, there's a whole lot of puppy training that has to take place on land, and we also really need to open this box and see what's in it so that we can get it packed away in that house and start heading towards the water. Let's see what's inside, y'all. Alright guys, here it is in all of its glory, all aired up and set up. Because we're on lands, I have left the fins off, but otherwise, we are all set up and ready to go. This thing appears to be quite sturdy and thick-walled. It might just hold up to a gator bite or at least some sharp rocks on the river. I cannot wait to get this thing in some water. Hey, Shy, come here, baby. What do you think of our new toy? Shy, come. Come on, baby. Good girl, good girl. Sit. No, baby. That cannot happen on the water. See, I told you guys. It's going to require some off-water training. We'll get there, though.
Between the slack line and Kelsey's new paddleboard, her and Sha have been entertained all day long today. It's been a lot of fun watching them train to use this thing too. In my head, I had convinced myself that Sha would just stay on top of this paddleboard, but I'm starting to believe that that might be a little trickier than it appears. Tomorrow, we got to pack all these new fun toys up because we got to go back to town. So we're going to enjoy the last of this beautiful sunset and get some rest because, quite frankly, it always takes longer going to town than you plan. I'm sure it'll take us all day.
On the boat. All the way. All the way. Come on. Good on the boat. Nope, you gotta stay up here. Good job. Good job. Yeah, sit. Good job. Good job. Now stay. Nope. Should I sit? Stay. Woohoo, puppy. Nope, you're all wet. You're all wet. Come on, Shy, on the boat. On the boat. Good on the boat. Sit, stay. Nope. This paddle's really tripping you up, huh, babe? It's okay. We'll get it. On the boat. On the boat. Come on. No, you gotta stay up here. Sit. Oh, maybe it'll work better on water. For those of you wondering why I wanted a paddleboard when we already have an inflatable kayak, this is the answer. I actually cannot carry our boat at all. So having something that I can carry while I carry my puppy is absolutely perfect. All right, Shy, let's get this place packed up and ready to go. Well, y'all, I would say she is about done. We're done with all of our errands, too. Where are we headed now, Shane?
We are driving through the settlement area. So outside of Show Low, as you head towards the town of Tonto and St. John, There are thousands and thousands of properties that are people living off grid out here. Now there's National Forest back behind them, which is what I'm going to access, but that's why we're driving through this neighborhood, Kelsey. Trying to get to the forest. This one's gonna do it for at least a night or two. We still have more packages to pick up in Show Low, so we can't get too far away, because then it starts costing a lot of fuel money to move this thing. Fun fact, it costs about $1 a mile to drive the Love Hut, so we always have to pay attention to where exactly it is we go. And this place is beautiful. I can't say there's actually a view of any sort other than a view of the beautiful Sit Greaves National Forest. Hopefully some elk come out of here tonight. That would be great.
All rested. Now she's up to mischief. Y'all, that sunshine is hiding from us today. The heat is most certainly not. But I think that we have some thunderstorms heading our way very soon. And we are just trying to get some of this puppy energy out before we are potentially stuck inside that 90 square foot domicile for the duration of whatever this storm is. It's only happened a couple times in Shy's life, and I will tell you, when she gets the zoomies and there's no going outside, that space becomes very, very tight. Hey, Shy. Shy. Nose. Ooh, good nose, baby. Good nose. Boy, you're cute. Oh, good job, Shy. Good job. Center? Yes. What's this? Yes. What's this forward? Oh, yeah, puppy. Oh, yeah. No, keep it going. Good job, Shy. Good job. Oh, good, baby. Yeah, yeah. Double high five. Awesome, Shy. Now hoop. Good hoop, Shy. Hoop. Woohoo, Bobby. Hoop. Yeah. Good center, too. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. You're so smart. Yes.
The fun never stops with these two.
Yeah. Twirl. Wrong. That was spin.
Phil. Me and Shy want to both tell y'all that we appreciate you for sticking around to the end of this video. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. I do suggest you go look at some of our other social media like Facebook and Instagram. Those are great ways to check out still shots and footage that doesn't quite make it into these YouTubes. Also, it's a great way to actually direct message us on those platforms. You can also send us an email at LoveHut4Life@gmail.com.
I suggest y'all come back next week and find out where we head to, because I really don't have much of a clue other than to the post office for a really big package. Bye, y'all.